Imagine a giant explosion but on a scale that dwarfs anything we've ever seen. These are cosmic shockwaves. They're not your typical sound waves though. Instead of air, they travel through the fabric of space itself. These shockwaves are born from some of the most violent events in the cosmos. Think exploding stars, colliding black holes, even the echo of the Big Bang itself. These events release mind-boggling amounts of energy, sending shockwaves rippling outward at incredible speeds. As these shockwaves travel, they gather up particles like a cosmic snowplow, accelerating them to near the speed of light. These energized particles can pack quite a punch when they finally encounter something, like our planet. While Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field offer some protection, the sheer power of these cosmic shockwaves means we're not entirely immune to their effects. In fact, scientists are increasingly recognizing the potential for these distant events to have a real impact on our planet and our lives. Our technologically reliant world is surprisingly vulnerable to cosmic shockwaves. These waves of energy carrying charged particles can interfere with the very systems we depend on every day. Imagine a world without GPS, satellite television, or even reliable radio communication. That's the potential reality if a strong cosmic shockwave were to hit Earth. These waves can disrupt the ionosphere, a layer of our atmosphere crucial for bouncing radio signals around the globe. But it's not just communication systems at risk. Power grids, those interconnected webs of electricity that power our homes and industries, are also susceptible. The surge of charged particles from a cosmic shockwave can overload transformers, causing blackouts that could cripple entire regions. Even satellites orbiting high above Earth aren't safe. These delicate instruments, essential for everything from weather forecasting to military intelligence, can be damaged or destroyed by the onslaught of high-energy particles carried by cosmic shockwaves. While the technological impacts of cosmic shockwaves are concerning, their potential environmental effects are equally profound. Earth's magnetic field, our protective shield against the constant bombardment of solar wind, can be significantly disrupted by these powerful events. Imagine the aurora borealis, the mesmerizing northern lights but amplified to a global scale. That's one possible outcome of a strong cosmic shockwave interacting with Earth's magnetic field. While beautiful, this disruption can interfere with navigation systems and even induce electric currents in pipelines and power lines. But the effects go beyond dazzling light shows. Some scientists believe that cosmic shockwaves could influence cloud formation and potentially even impact global climate patterns. The precise mechanisms are still being studied, but the potential for long-term environmental consequences is a real cause for concern. Furthermore, these shockwaves can alter the chemistry of our upper atmosphere, potentially depleting the ozone layer that shields us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The effects cascade through the environment, highlighting the interconnectedness of our planet and the cosmos. Section 4. The Human Equation: Potential Health Impacts of Cosmic Shockwaves. While the vast distances of space might make cosmic shockwaves seem like a remote threat, their potential impact on human health is a growing concern for researchers. The high-energy particles carried by these waves pose a particular risk to astronauts and airline passengers who are less protected by Earth's atmosphere. Exposure to these particles can damage DNA, increasing the risk of cancer and other health problems. For astronauts on long-duration missions such as a journey to Mars, this radiation exposure is a serious consideration for mission planners. But even those of us on Earth's surface aren't entirely immune. While our atmosphere provides significant protection, very powerful cosmic shockwaves could potentially deliver enough radiation to pose health risks at ground level. The exact level of risk is still being investigated, but it underscores the importance of understanding and preparing for these events. Furthermore, the disruption of communication and power grids caused by cosmic shockwaves could indirectly impact human health by hindering emergency response, medical care, and access to essential services. Section 5. Cosmic Forensics: Unlocking the Secrets of Shockwaves for a Safer Future. Facing the potential threat of cosmic shockwaves requires a two-pronged approach: understanding the enemy and bolstering our defenses. Scientists are engaged in a cosmic investigation, using sophisticated telescopes and satellites to study these phenomena and unravel their secrets. By observing distant supernova explosions and black hole collisions, researchers are piecing together the mechanisms that drive cosmic shockwaves. They're developing models to predict the strength, direction, and potential impacts of these events, providing crucial information for mitigating risks. But observation alone is not enough. We need to develop technologies and strategies to protect our vulnerable infrastructure. This includes hardening power grids, designing more resilient satellites, and developing early warning systems to provide crucial time for preparation. Just as we monitor hurricanes and earthquakes, tracking cosmic shockwaves will become essential for our planetary safety. By investing in research and technological solutions, we can navigate the interstellar storms and ensure a more resilient future for humanity. The cosmos may be full of wonders, but it also reminds us that with knowledge comes the responsibility to prepare. If you like this video, like and subscribe to Fact Fusion for more space stories.